So I am super excited. Our equipment is finally out of quarantine and we are ready to start making our Learn to Juggle kits for you to learn to juggle along with me at home. So there's 2 kits available. There's an individual kit, which is really designed for one person, that costs £12, and then there's a family kit, which costs £32. But this all depends on funding. So if you live in the Devonshire West area of Eastbourne, the Devonshire West Big Local have already paid for your kit for you, so you get it for free. How exciting is that? If you're a Sweet Circus student or a Social Circus student, you also get 15% off, and we're talking to other funders to see what else we can get for you. So I can't wait, so I'm going to make one up for my good friend Mel. Hi Mel! It's going out tomorrow. In your Learn to Juggle kit, you're going to get a ring, a juggling ring. You will get 1, 2, 3 juggling balls, and you'll get a set of juggling scarves, as well as access to an online course as soon as it's ready, some online interactive sessions and an activity booklet. In a family kit, you get 6 balls, 6 scarves, 3 rings, and 6 of these. These are try-its, they're juggling bean bags. They're great, they can go in the washing machine and everything. So all the information is on our website. I'll put a link in the description. Hurry up before they're all gone. There's only so much here and then I have to start the whole quarantine again. Come on everybody, let's learn to juggle. See you later.